welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. This is our last unboxing of June. Can you guys believe it? That is almost July. So crazy to me. I feel like this year is going by so fast. It's been a crazy year already. And I am so excited for the summertime. I love the summertime. It's like my favorite time of the year. I just feel like I love the warm weather. I love like summer clothes, summer makeup. It's just my favorite. So in today's video, we are going to be opening some of my PR boxes boxes that I have received this week. We are going to be unboxing them in this video. Before I do get started, make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos that I'm going to upload. I'm doing 5 videos a week now, so a lot of uploads from me. Make sure you guys subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you are notified when I do upload. I have a huge summer giveaway planned as well as a back to school giveaway planned. So you want to make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on those giveaways as well. And if you guys are ready to get into some of this week's boxes, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to get into came over from Pop Beauty. And it says, be the showstopper with the Topper Popper. New metallic lip stains. Long lasting and smudge proof. So let's see. Ooh, this is cute. So it's in like a little bag. That's really cute, like a little holographic bag. And let's open it. It kind of smells. You guys know like that new like plasticky smell? That's what it smells like. Okay, so there are some stickers in here. That's cute. So we got some stickers. And then let's see what these are. So Topper Poppers, metallic lip stains. You guys know that like metallic lips aren't exactly my thing right now. I feel like I'm kind of just, I don't know. Metallic for me isn't something that I wear every single day. I will swatch a few of them just so I can show you guys if I can get them open. The packaging on these is super cute. So this is Copper Popper. I believe they all have different names with just Popper at the end. Here is what Copper Popper looks like. So I'm gonna swatch for you guys also like the other two like nude ones. So we have Peach Topper. And let's see what, ooh, this one's pretty. And let me also swatch Cream Popper. I feel like Cream Popper is more of like the perfect like nude shade that I feel like you could put over top. This is probably the most wearable one for me because like I said, I don't super wear metallic lips all the time, but I feel like I might wear this one like over top of like a lipstick just for that extra little shine. So here's what they all look like. So we have Copper Popper on the top, and then the middle one is the peach, and then the bottom one, that one's so pretty, is the Cream Popper. These look really pigmented, and I am excited to try them out on the lips. And then also in the collection, there is a red popper, a violet popper, and a pink popper as well. Next box I have is from Stilazzi. I have been obsessed with using their brushes lately. The quality of their brushes is just amazing. I used a bunch of them today when I did my makeup. I just feel like they're so good. So inside we have, ooh, 2 new blush palettes. So we have the Bahamas blush palette and then the Barbados blush palette. So 2 different blush palettes from them. Let's see what they look like. So this one is going to be the Bahama. Ooh, wow, these are pigmented blushes. Okay, so here is the Bahama blush palette. And it also has a nice little large mirror. The packaging on the front is super cute. So let me swatch these. All right, so here is the swatches of the Bahama blush palette. These are so pretty. I love that they have like a few matte ones, and then there's also like some pearlized ones that I feel like would look really pretty as like an highlight topper or as a blush topper. I'm always into like more luminous blushes in the summertime. So that was the Bahama palette. And then we also have the Barbados palette. And let's see what this one looks like. Oh, wow. So this one is, wow, these look so bright. Here is the Barbados one. I feel like these look really pigmented. Let me take off these ones and I'll show you guys what those ones look like. All right, and here is the Barbados palette. This is definitely an interesting palette to me because it has like that orange and then like that coppery shade. I don't know, at least on my skin tone, how much of these shades will be actual blushes. They look really pigmented though. I think they might be actually pretty as like eyeshadows as well. So I'll let you guys know when I do try these out. But thank you so much to the team at Stilazzi for sending these over. I'm definitely gonna be using the Bahamas one for sure. And then I'm gonna test this one and see how it looks as a blush palette. But I feel like as eyeshadows, these would be really, really pretty as well. The next set of items I have is from DERMA. So they sent over 2 different products. So the first one is their micellar water. This is their vitamin C micellar water. I absolutely love this for removing my eye makeup. I feel like it does such a good job. Also like using this in the morning, kind of like a morning like cleanser, even knowing it is a micellar. I just feel like it's really gentle on the skin, which I do like. And then also in here, this is a newer product. So this is the overnight peel. I'm not sure if it's new necessarily, but it's new to me. I've never tried it before. So it says it's an overnight peel that is an exfoliant facial. So it says that you apply a generous amount to clean a face before bed, leave on overnight, and rinse throughout the morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So it kind of looks like they're same as like their peptide line that I love so much. But I will be interested to try this out. I love things that you can put on overnight. That's my favorite because I feel like I just love just putting it on overnight, not having to worry about it. Wake up in the morning and your skin just feels amazing. I love that, especially one that exfoliates overnight. That sounds amazing. So I'm gonna try this out tonight for sure. And then also a restock on my favorite micellar water. So thank you guys at DERMA for this package. The next box that I have came over from Pixi. And remember last week when I told you guys, like I remembered my knife. This week I did not. So now I have these little tweezers, scissors things I'm gonna have to try and open this box with. So I got it open. Let's see. Ooh, so it says Pixi by Petra Glow in a Box. This is a really cute package. Has like glitter all over it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are their brand new Liquid Fairy Lights. Let me show you guys the inside of the package before I like tear it all out. Ooh. So here is what the inside looks like. This is such a cute little presentation. So I'm so excited about these. So Liquid Fairy Lights, ultra sparkling liquid eyeshadows with a 3D effect to wear solo or on the top of an eye look. So basically what I'm thinking these are is gonna be like the Stila Liquid Glows, you know, or the liquid eyeshadows. I'm so excited. So this one is in Crystalline. Here is that one. Let me swatch it for you guys so you can see. I'm so excited about these. Okay, yeah, wow. There is that one. Look at how glittery that is. Okay, so let me show you guys the rest of them. This next one is Sun Ray, and this one looks to be like a pure gold shade. And these couldn't have came at a better time for me because my Stila shadows, a few of them have actually dried out, so I haven't been able to really use them. Here is the second one. Ooh, that's so pretty, that gold. Packaging on these is really nice. I like that they're kind of like in like a lipstick type too. So this one is a rose gold one. Sorry, the mail lady just got here and my dog always freaks out. But here is that rose gold one there on top. Next one is Bare Brilliance. This one looks to be like a brown shimmery shade. Oh, wow. That one is crazy pigmented. Look at that one. There is Bare Brilliance. And then the very last one is Passion Light. I think this one's gonna be more like a coppery, yes, like a coppery orangey gold shade. And let's swatch. These have me so excited. Okay, so it looks like the dark shades just like give off so much more pigment. Not that the light shades don't, but I feel like they just have more of like a base to them as well. So there's the last shade there. So here are all of the shades. These look so pretty. I cannot wait to put these on my eyes. And then also in this package, there are glowy Gossamer duos. So we have like highlighting duos. This package is like everything I want in a box, for real. All the glitter, all the glow. These look so pretty. I can already tell that these are gonna be really pigmented. I don't know if it's picking up, but you guys can see like how foiled they look. Oh, wow, okay. So let me swatch both of these shades for you guys in this palette. Wow, okay, so here are the swatches. Look at how stunning those look. This one is Delicate Dew. There is a golden shade and then also like a pinky shade. And then there's also another one in here. This one is Subdue Sunrise. Here is the inside of that one. And then let me swatch these. Feel so good, you guys. Okay, yep, these are gonna be gorgeous. I'm so excited about these. Okay, so there are the last two there on the bottom. I don't know if it's focusing. Okay, there. Yeah, so there are the last two on the bottom. Look at how pigmenty these look. I cannot wait to put these on my face. And these have me super excited as well. These are some great releases from Pixi. I can already tell I'm gonna like these. The next package came over from Perfect 365. They are always so sweet. And I found so many brands like with their packages. So it looks like there's a few different products in here, 3 different products. So the first one is Anna I believe. It's a matte lip color. Let me see what this looks like. I've never heard of this brand. Oh, the packaging is super cute. Look at the packaging of this. That is so fun. And then the next item in here is from INSTA Natural, and it is an age-defining, skin-clearing moisturizer. And then the last product here is from, who is this from? This is from STROBOSCOPE High Flash Orb Skin Perfecting Powder. So let's see what this is about. The packaging on this looks so freaking cool. Ooh. So here is what that looks like. How about packaging? That is beautiful. And then it has like the top like this. Okay, so let me just like sprinkle some of this out so we can see what it is. But it looks like it's going to be, ooh, a loose highlight. Look at how pretty that is. You guys, this is the week for glow. I'm gonna be like dripping. That is freaking stunning. I want this on my face right now. Let me like put a little bit on my face because I need it on my face. So let me just like tap it on and see what it looks like over the highlight I already have on. I am so looking forward to trying this out on its own because the swatch of it is like so intense. I'm so excited about this, and it looks pretty already like as a little topper. And this once again is from STROBOSCOPE, and this is in Vow. This is so cool. I'll have it linked down below if I can find it. Thank you to Perfect365 for sending over these packages. I've discovered so many brands from their packages, you guys. I feel like Catherine Cosmetics, if you guys remember them, I discovered them through Perfect365, and I've been obsessed with their products. So loving those packages from them. Huge thank you to them for sending those over. Alright guys, and then the last package I got this week came over from DOLL10. I did already open this because it said open me ASAP when I got it, so I already peeked in this, and wait till you guys see what they sent over. So the product that they sent over that they are launching is the Skin Reviving Setting Mist. So it says here that you can use this as like a prepping mist or a setting mist, and it is coconut themed. It smells like coconuts, and the mister on this is just so fine. I love it. It smells so good. I've been spraying it like every single day, and the packaging on it is really nice as well. And then what they sent along with the spray, so my ring light's kind of covering it, but this is a picture, take these off, that is framed, and that's supposed to be me right there. They use a picture off of my Instagram. So it is a whole sketch of me sitting on a coconut, and I'm spraying the mist right here in my hand. And this is just seriously so freaking sweet. There's so much detail that went into this. Like as soon as I opened it, I was like, oh my God, like is that me? That's so cool. I'm gonna hang this in my beauty room. DOLL10 is seriously the sweetest. They are such a sweet team. They're really just really nice people, really genuine. The story behind the brand is also really incredible as well. I'm gonna link the new mist down below, but also if you guys wanna check out any other products from DOLL10, I highly recommend their products. I have so many favorites from them, but this was just so sweet to get, and it's just so sweet when brands really do personalize things like this. Get really just like, it melts my heart, and I'm so appreciative to them, and I'm definitely gonna hang this like I said because it's so cute. All right guys, that is going to do it for this week's PR haul and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, seeing some of these new makeup products that are coming out. Of course, a big thank you to all of the brands for these super generous packages. I really appreciate it, and of course, a giant thank you to you guys for always being so supportive on these videos, for continuing to watch them and continuing to show them love. I truly appreciate you guys. I hope you will let me know down below if you would like to see a more dedicated review or first impressions with any of the products I did mention in today's video. I will try to have them all linked down below for you guys. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.